Right then, folks. This is a little video to show you how to take something from your OneDrive and put it into the OneDrive submission file that I've sent with you. I know a lot of people have been having trouble with it because I keep getting about 1 billion emails a day saying I can't save it from one to the other. And the reason why that is the case is because of the privacy settings that I've got on this submission folder, because this is in my OneDrive. Now what that means is you can't share something from your OneDrive into this folder, okay, because it's two separate OneDrive accounts. What you can do though is you will have to download the file from your OneDrive and then share it with this OneDrive folder. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So say for example this is your OneDrive, okay? This is where you keep all your works, where you've got all your assignments, whatever. You will need to find the document that you want to download. Say, for example, I'll use this one, for example, and you're going to click on a little button next to it and then click download, okay? And then click save and then click open folder. Obviously, that's now going to save it into your downloads. So it's here, you can see where it says practice new task. There is the file that I need, okay? You are then going to go to your submission folder. So we'll use this one, for example. And all you're going to do is simply drag that file into there like that. I know this is a little bit simple and a bit sort of like baby step stuff, but the number of emails I've had from people who are struggling to do this is ridiculous. So this is the easiest way for you to do it. You can't share it across like you would do normally. I know a lot of people have tried to click on the folder and go to move and do it that way. You can't do that, okay, because they're two separate OneDrive accounts, okay? That's the easiest way to do it. It's the quickest way to do it, and it means I'm not going to get 1 billion emails of people saying how do I do that, or at least get 1 billion emails of people sending me their work, because that's just going to mean my inbox gets clogged up, okay? Do it that way. It's the easiest way to do it. I'll put this on YouTube for you to make it easier for you. If you're still having any problems and you're trying it this way and it's still not working, then yeah, send me an email and we'll see what we can do. But I reckon that way is probably going to be the easiest way for people to do it. All right.